Hi! You on the channel Happy Decoration. With you, I am Kovaleva. I continue to publish videos in English. Today we will make a rose hat from FOAMIRAN, but you can use this rose as a wall decor. First, make patterns. We need A4 sheets. Fold the sheet in half and cut. Fold 1/2 of the sheet in half. And draw a half heart as much as possible to the edges of the sheet. Cut out. The biggest petal for the heart is ready. Take the second half of the sheet A4 and circle the finished template on it. Now reduce this petal by 0.3 or 0.5 inches. Cut out and the second template is ready. Take a new sheet A4 and fold it 2 times. Cut out. Now take one part and fold in half. Draw a half heart. Three patterns ready. And make the last template. Take the cut half and fold in half. Draw a head and cut. Templates for the petals are ready. Now we will make templates for the middle of the rose. Take a sheet of A4 size and cut a square out of it. Make 2 squares. Fold the square 2 times. Take the small pattern, put on the triangle. Draw a line along the height of the small template. Draw a wavy line to the brim. Cut out but leave a triangle base. Now put it on another triangle. Circle. The main thing is that the second triangle is smaller than the first. And now we'll reduce this pattern and cut it out. Templates are ready. Now we circle the petals of the FOAMIRAN 1 mm thick. Now you see the amount of each petals that needs to be circled and cut. All is ready. I also cut 2 circles with a diameter of 6 inches for the base. Form the petals. Take 2 petals and twist the FOAMIRAN around the perimeter. And so do with all the petals. Now start to form a rose. We take a little part of the cut out middle and make it as it is shown in the video. The first petals are glued closely and the second are glued at the distance. Glue the other petals also at a distance. Glue small petals at 4 corners. We glued 4 petals to the corners and now glue 4 petals on 4 sides. But before that we will form each petals in the center with a stapler. Glue each petals along the edges to the preview petals. The middle of the rose is ready, can be used as an accessory on hand. Since it is a rose heart, we will use a bezel. But you can use the tape. To do this, the tape must be glued between the circles and then stick the remaining petals of the base. But the bezel is stronger, and now I'll make the bases for it. On the second circle we will form a rose and glue to the first. On the second circle we begin to stick the petals and glue from large to smaller. Before sticking the petals we form them, make 3 folds and fasten with a stapler. And begin to glue the petals. In advance they must be dried on the base. Glue the petals together, so the rose will hold the diameter better. Do the same with the rest of the petals. Base is ready. Glue the middle of the rose in the center. Beautiful rose. If you want to hang a rose on the wall, make a loop at the bottom of the rose at the base. Last step, glue the rose on the rim. The work is ready. You can go to the photo shoot. The rose is very light and airy. It can be washed. She does not wrinkle. My roses have become popular. Many made them for the holidays. I hope she will happen you too. If you liked my masterclass, put likes, write comments, and if you want to respect the development of the channel, under this video there is a link to the PayPal. Share this video with your friends, create and surprise your family. I was with you, Anne Kovalyova, and Happy Decoration channel. Bye bye, see you later.